Hi, welcome to Origami Ocean. Today we'll be making origami tricolor flower. To create this model, I'll be using different sized square sheet of papers. I'll be taking 5 origami sheets of paper, 2 orange, 2 white and 1 green to create one such flower. Let's start with the orange color. Keep the color side on the top and start with the cross crease. Then keep the white side on the top and fold the paper into half. Now fold the paper into half again, but put the crease mark only in the center from this point to this point. Open the flap and repeat the same thing on the other side too. The pre-creasing is done for one paper. We have to do it for all the papers. Before that, we have to cut the paper in required sizes. Cut the green paper into 4 equal squares. We need 2 squares for this model. Now the green square is the smallest and the orange square is the biggest. We need to cut the white square in this size, in the center of these two. Find the center point by folding the paper into half and just make a pinch mark and bring this side to the center point and make a crease. Then cut this portion. Now the piece is rectangle. Let's convert into square by folding it diagonally. Then cut this extra paper. Cut the other white paper also in the same way. Now we have cut the papers into required sizes. We can start doing the pre-creasing for all the papers. That is a X mark and a plus crease, then a square in the center. Now let's make the petals of the flower. Take one of the papers from each color. Fold the orange paper into half. Take the white paper and match the center point like this and fold it along with the center crease line. Then take the green paper and match the center point and keep like this by aligning the center line. Now hold on the center point, then fold according to the crease lines. Repeat the same thing on the other side too. In the center you can see a mountain fold. Press it down and you can neaten it from the back side like this. Give the shape to the paper according to the crease lines. Now fold up the green one and then the white paper and then the orange paper. On the top, all the petals should be of same height. Hold the center point tightly, then repeat the same thing on this side too. One module is done with 4 petals. Take the remaining 3 papers to create the other half of the flower. So 2 modules are done. Keep it like this and take a rubber band and put it like this. You can also take blue thread to tie it here. Then open the petals as demonstrated. You can use different colors of paper to make different flowers. I am making Independence Day version, so I have used tricolors. Thank you for watching. Do like, share and subscribe. Don't miss out the videos which will be streaming on every Fridays. Let's meet in the next video. Thank you.